before fashion trends, before influencer culture, before luxury brands discovered streetwear. There was warmth, simple warmth, the kind people needed when winter arrived, the kind that mattered more than appearance. And from that necessity emerged one of the most recognizable hats in the world. The beanie. At first glance, it seems almost too simple to matter. A knitted cap, no complex structure, no moving parts, no elaborate craftsmanship visible from a distance. Yet few accessories have traveled through as many cultures, professions, and generations. Its origins lie in practicality. Long before it became fashionable, workers needed protection from the cold. Dock workers, fishermen, sailors, railroad laborers, factory employees, people who spent long hours outdoors in difficult conditions. A knitted cap offered an elegant solution. Lightweight, affordable, easy to produce, effective at trapping heat. The human head loses significant warmth in cold environments. Covering it improves comfort dramatically. The beanie solved that problem efficiently. And because it worked so well, it spread quickly. Across ports, across industries, across countries. The design changed very little. Because it did not need to. The best tools often remain simple. Psychologically, the beanie creates a fascinating effect. Unlike formal hats that often communicate authority or status, the beanie communicates familiarity. Approachability, authenticity. Its soft structure lacks rigidity. Its shape follows the head naturally. Nothing about it feels aggressive. The brain often associates knitted textures with warmth, comfort, safety, relaxation. Trust. These associations help explain why beanies remain emotionally appealing. People do not merely wear them for insulation. They wear them because they feel comfortable, both physically and psychologically. As the 20th century progressed, the beanie moved beyond workwear. Outdoor enthusiasts adopted it. Hikers, campers, mountaineers, skiers, snowboarders. The hat became associated with adventure and resilience. Then youth culture discovered it. Skateboarders embraced its simplicity. Musicians adopted its effortless aesthetic. Artists appreciated its lack of pretension. The beanie became a symbol of authenticity. A rejection of excessive formality. Unlike luxury accessories designed to attract attention, the beanie often communicates the opposite. Comfort with oneself, confidence without performance. This symbolism became especially important within streetwear culture. The hat required no explanation, no special occasion, no complicated styling. Anyone could wear it, and anyone could make it their own. Cinema reinforced this image repeatedly. Students, writers, musicians, travelers, creative outsiders. Characters wearing beanies often appeared independent and genuine. People focused more on experiences than appearances. The hat became visual shorthand for individuality. Not rebellion through aggression, rebellion through simplicity. Fashion eventually embraced the beanie fully. Luxury houses introduced premium materials. Cashmere, merino wool, designer branding, limited editions. Yet despite these changes, the essential silhouette remained unchanged. A rare achievement in fashion, because the original design already captured something universal. Warmth. Modern psychology suggests that people increasingly value objects that feel authentic. As digital life expands, tangible textures become more meaningful. Knitted fibers, natural materials, handcrafted appearance. The beanie delivers these experiences naturally. It feels human, comforting, real, and perhaps that explains its remarkable longevity. Because while trends constantly change, the need for comfort does not. The need for warmth does not. The desire to feel like ourselves does not. The beanie represents all three. A simple knitted cap created to protect workers from the cold. That ultimately became one of the world's most enduring symbols of authenticity. Proof that sometimes the most powerful fashion statements are also the most comfortable. And sometimes, a little warmth is all a design needs to last forever.